I used a wire brush to scrape away the paint from this corner because there's water seeping out of the walls. See, this is a little puddle right there coming out of the walls. So I'm going to drill a weep hole to let the water drain. I think I missed the cell. Fuck. Let's try over here more. No fucking way. Huh. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Got some drainage. Oh yeah, look at that. Woohoo! Not a moisture. It's all wet in there. Well, that's a dry one. Now there's the completed weep holes. The one on the far right was dry. Those three there in the middle had water sweeping out, and the one on the left is dry. So hopefully that's the only place that there's the water in this wall. There's water all over the floor here. This is the final result. You can see the water is draining, still draining. It's probably going to drain like that forever, on and off, depending on the wetness of outside. So it's good to get that moisture out of the wall. We have on the other side of the basement, facing the backyard, an existing weep hole. You can see what's draining into a actual drain here that goes to a sump, I assume. Don't really know. And it goes all the way over here to this weep hole.